No one has time to be having dried ass skin and chapped lips. Ladies and gentlemen, winter is approaching. So this winter, I don't want to see no dry ass skin, and I don't want to see fucking chapped lips, because there's too many products out there for people to have chapped lips and dry skin. It makes no sense. I do not get it. Every year, I should not see chapped lips and dry skin. Y'all know better. You're supposed to moisturize your skin so much more during the winter, and I don't know why people don't do it. It's a shame, and the worst thing is it's adults. Y'all know better. Y'all know better. Moisturize your lips. There's chapstick out there. You got Blistex, Carmax, all that other stuff that I don't know right now. And then, to moisturize your body, I use coconut oil. They have shea butters, lotions. You have sensitive skin? They have lotions for sensitive skin, people. Do better, because I'm tired of seeing it. I don't want to see it, so this is my PSA right now. Moisturize your damn bodies and your lips. Ain't nothing cute about that to see a grown person, some dried ass lips, chapped and bleeding. They open their mouth, you just see the blood. Like, go to the dollar store and get a dollar store chapstick. Like, chapsticks don't be that expensive. Do better, ladies and gentlemen. This winter, I want to see y'all glowing and hydrated. I can't. But guys, if you like what you see, and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, also hit that bell. That bell. What? That bell. Who? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you get the notifications when I post my videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.